Hello and welcome to Lot 6 website. We curate the best clothing, accessories, and tech deals reflecting modern trends and classic taste with products curated by you. So how to get started? There are only small steps to post a request on our website. The first step is to locate the product you want to purchase on any shopping website like Amazon, for example, then copy its URL. Now you need to go back to our website, then hit Submit a Product Request. Fill in all the product information and don't forget to paste the URL here and tell us the percentage discount you want on this product. Once your discounted order is placed, you receive an order confirmation email and a tracking number once shipped. Most orders are fulfilled via Amazon.com, but we provide the products to you with huge savings. And that's it. Lot 6. Unbeatable deals, curated by you.